Hello everyone, welcome to Arna and Mama. I hope you all are doing good. In this pandemic, we all have to be very careful about own health. Wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distance. And always take care of yourself and your family. Now let's get started. In this video, I will tell you about how to make alphabets flashcard at home and their uses. We need a good quality of cardboard, a permanent marker, scale, scissor and a pen. Here I have made 52 cards with the size of 9 cm into 10 cm. Using a scale, I took this dimension and then I cut all the cards. Here I have made 26 capital letters card and 26 small letters card. I have also mentioned phonic sounds of their respective letters. These flashcards are very simple to make and very simple to carry. Kids like to learn alphabets with these handy cards. You can teach your kids capital letters and their corresponding small letters. Phonic sounds are also very important to teach them simultaneously. Like A का phonic sound है A apple. B का phonic sound है B ball. Phonic sounds helps to improve reading skills of your kids. Hi Arna. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, tell me, where is H letter?
Yeah.
Yes. Where is R? Yes, correct. Tell me, यहाँ capital letter है तो इसका small letter का है? Small d?
Yeah.
Yes. उसको यहाँ रख दो. Correct. Next is capital M. Where is small m?
Yeah.
Yes. Keep it there.
Yeah.
No. Yes. Next is capital L. Yes. Fine. Look, where is small l? Yes, correct.
ये देखो क्या है?
Arna, this is capital A.
Okay.
What is the sound of A? A. Apple.
Apple.
This is B. What is the sound of B? B. Look here. B. Ball.
Ball.
Okay, C. What is the sound of C?
Ball.
K.
Ball.
You can do different activities with these cards to make your children learn alphabets. I hope you have liked watching this video. Please comment your feedback and like this video. And if you are watching this video for first time, then please subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye.